born about 429 BC in Athens, to a very rich and powerful family. Plato was a student of Socrates, and learned a lot from Socrates about how to think and what sort of questions to think about. Socrates' death, Plato began to write down his own ideas about philosophy instead of just writing down Socrates' ideas. Plato's theory of forms is also called the theory of ideas. Plato starts with the premise that intellectual truth is more true than physical truth. That there exists a God creator, who is pure thought, and has no physical being, but has created the physical universe. The physical universe is made up of copies of the thought universe which exists only in the mind of the creator. All horses are merely copies of the one horse which is in the mind of the creator. Equally, all beds are only copies of the ideal bed which he has envisaged. The word form is not used by Plato, who uses the word idea, from which we get the word ideal. So all physical objects are thus imperfect, being copies, and not his original idea. So form is a concept of later, more materialist philosophers. Imagine that you want to build a chair. First, you are going to think of the kind of chair you want, what you will need to make it, and how you'll put it together. And before that chair exists, the idea of the chair will exist first. You build the chair based on that pattern. It will be less perfect than the idea. It will be prone to wear and destruction. It might not even match up exactly to begin with. What's more, after the physical chair is long gone, the idea will still exist. It is perfect and immortal. This is how Plato saw all the world. Everything we see was to him just a shadow of the perfect, ideal version of itself.